Hi. So today we are talking about donation receipts and we're going to understand how you can track all your donations coming into the business with the help of this template. So we have a database at the bottom which defines all the relevant information for donations like the receipt number, the donor name, the date of donation and all the details that you can add in a particular database. And on the top, you can see that we have summarized these donations as per four different views. One is recent donations. So if you have received any donation within a span of last 1 month, it will appear over here. If it exceeds the 1 month duration, it will not be visible. Then we have donation by purpose. So for what cause the donation has been received, and you can see that we have defined some purpose over here in the purpose of donation field. Then you have the donor summary, so it defines the donor names and the relevant donations that they have made, and the payment method specifies by what mode of payment you have received the donation. So you can add more relevant views over here if you want to customize this as per requirement. This is just a sample template to help you out with donations. Besides this, I would also like to highlight, like if you're looking to generate PDF documents in bulk, let's say you want to generate invoice documents in bulk for a business, you can take help of PDF output, which utilizes Google document as the template, and it can work with Notion database or even Google Sheet. Okay, so it can work both ways to generate PDF documents in bulk, replacing all the placeholder text elements that you would like to generate. So for any document that you are generating in your business, such as invoice documents, you can take help of this particular tool and start generating documents. So let me know if you have any questions for this donation receipt or PDF output. I'll be happy to assist you on this. You can reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I will be able to help you out with this regard. Thank you. Have a great day.